Hi everyone! Today we're going to create a floral hoop centerpiece for Valentine's Day. Okay, so you'll need one wooden hoop. I'm using one that I have already pre-stained. You'll also need a candle holder. I'm using a metal candle holder. You can also use a wooden one. You'll also need some hot glue. I'm using artificial flowers. And then I also have these wooden heart embellishments that I'll be adding to the decoration. And also I have some moss here. And I will be adding on a birdhouse embellishment. Okay, so we're going to start with the wooden hoop and add it to the candle holder. So what I'm going to do here is apply some hot glue, and then I will attach my wooden hoop to the candle holder. Okay, so after adding the wooden hoop to the candle holder, I will then add some moss to the bottom section of the hoop. So what I'll do here is I will just take some of my moss and I will use some hot glue and apply that to the bottom section of the hoop, and then over the hot glue I will add my moss. Next, I decided to add my cute little birdhouse embellishment that I believe I purchased this at Hobby Lobby. I decided to add that right over the moss section of the hoop. Okay, so now we're ready to add on the wooden heart embellishments. I decided when adding on the wooden hearts on the hoop to add some hot glue to the back of each of the hearts. They do come with a pre-sticky side to them, and you could just stick it right onto the hoop, but I decided to add the hot glue just so that I don't have to worry about them falling off. Okay, so I decided before adding on any more of my wooden heart embellishments, I would take my artificial flowers and begin to add those. This way I can kind of get a sense of the placement of the flowers before adding any more of the hearts. So what I did here is I had already pre-cut each of the flowers, and so I'm taking some hot glue and I will then add my flowers to the hoop around the heart. So I'll just continue to do that so that I can kind of get the feel for the placement before I add any more of the hearts. Once you have added the flowers, you can continue to add your wooden heart embellishments. That will then complete this floral centerpiece design. You could also add a strand of lights to the display, And like I said before, this makes a perfect centerpiece, or you can add it to a tiered tray as well. Thank you all for joining me for this craft. I'll see you soon.